morning, good evening, good afternoon, whenever you're watching this video. Thank you for tuning in, as always. Today we are starting another journey for what we're going to be doing today. We're heading out, as you can see, we got the trailer on behind the old Dirty Max. We're running that today out to a great place. We're going to pick up a new truck. This is going to become probably a fairly big thing on the channel. It is going to be something that is going to take a while to complete, and I want to bring you all along on a ride with me to completion of this build. It is what some would look at and pass off as something that's done and gone and not worth fixing, but we're going to be pulling up here shortly to that, and when we get out we will have a look-see, and you'll be able to find out what it is I'm picking up today. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are here, and this is what you've been waiting for. We're going to get a great shot to see it. It's going to be a good day. Let's have a fun run.
That's off the ground perfectly.
Hot dang. She's down on all fours. Look at that. Aren't those 16s just beautiful? She's sitting pretty right about now. Alright, well, we finished up. She's sitting on all fours. I had these 16s left over from when I put the 18s on my truck. So now she's going to be sitting on tires again, and we're going to be able to move her, put her up on the trailer. She's missing the hood, but we found this beauty, the original hood from it, with the original emblem and both Apache emblems on it, sitting about 5 feet away from it. And we looked for it earlier and we couldn't find it, but it was there today. So that's a great find, and so far things are coming together, and we're hoping to be out of here shortly, knock on wood, but we've got a long ways to go. And
now you're gonna try driving it out of here.
I don't hate the look of those wheels, and now we're gonna get her out of here. That's the ultimate plan for the time being, is just get her out of here. So that's next. Hopefully next thing you'll see is her on the trailer. Well, guys and gals, would you look at that? That was where it rested at one point in time. This front wheel over here was turning. The one that we had on here, as you can see, was just seized, and it just drug its whole way out through there. But this is where she used to sit. And to be quite honest, it looks a little empty now. So next part, try and get that baby up on the trailer. We'll see how well it goes. It might go well, might not. But we're getting close. A lot closer, a lot quicker than I was expecting. Knock on wood, people. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, as we sit and watch this beautiful sunset over there, we're reminded of a wonderful story. One of getting stuff done and getting it home. We finished up, and would you look at that? We've got her on the trailer. She's just a beauty, ain't she? It was a little interesting, a little intriguing. I would definitely say it was possibly not OSHA approved, but she's on the trailer now, and we are planning to be heading home here soon. So with that being said, if you want to follow this build, hit that subscribe button. Keep on with the channel. There will be hopefully more to come here soon. It's gonna be one heck of a ride, and one long ride, but I hope you guys are willing to stick around and watch it. It's gonna be great, and I can't wait to see where this ends up. Just listening to that sound right there just reminds you of the old school stuff, and that stuff was so much simpler back then. We might make it a little more complex, but that's just for amenities. So hope you all enjoyed, and have a good night.